Suno Prompts for holiday music for you and your whole family. Today we're going to make classic Christmas carols with Suno Prompts, and you can put your own twist on them to make them completely yours. I'll share my prompts for basic styles, and then I'll show you a free website where you can make sure that the Christmas carols you want to copy are in the public domain. The first Suno holiday prompt is a modern style with throwback nostalgic vibes. I'll put the prompt in the description. Use it as a starting point for your own songs. Suno prompt number 2 is for a retro nostalgic Christmas. Compare this prompt and the previous one, and you'll see how easy it is to make adjustments and create your own songs. Now, what if you want to add lyrics to the Christmas carol that you just created in Suno? The first thing you're going to do is go to a website called pdinfo.com. It's a free site. It lists public domain music of all sorts. Click on Christmas songs and then find the song that you want. Once I know the song I'm looking for is in the public domain, I look up the lyrics. I found Deck the Halls on Wikipedia, so I copied the lyric. And now I'm going to put them in the instrumental that I made. We'll go back to Suno. I'm going to use this instrumental. I'll go to Extend, and we'll pick where we want to extend it from. Okay, I want the lyrics to come in right at the beginning. I'm going to double check this time in just a second. Let me paste my lyric in, and now let's double check where the lyrics should start. Okay, right around 8 seconds. So let's go ahead. We have 8 seconds in here. Okay, that's the important part. And we'll hit create. Suno gives you 2 versions of it. You can pick the version you like best.
Deck the hall with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la.
Okay, so that sounds fine to me. I want the original introduction with this extended version, so I go to Create and then Get Full Song. And in just a minute, Suno puts the 2 parts together, and then I'll have my complete Christmas song. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, leave a comment, share with a friend, give me a thumbs up, and have yourself a great holiday season. Go make some music, and I'll see you in the next video.